Okay, today we will see the line and a few other commands. First of all, in last lecture we have seen the introduction to toolbars in AutoCAD. Today first we'll set up the unit. For unit you need to go format first. Just click the format and unit. Okay. Another method is to go set up the unit is press UN, enter. So this here you will find the unit drawing unit dialog box. Here you can set up a unit for length and angle. I'm setting decimal. There are various types you can set up accordingly. Okay, all I'll explain one by one after each lecture or whenever we require such units. First of all, I'm setting decimal. This is precision up to 2 decimal point. This is for angle, this is for length. Decimal degrees, precision up to 2 decimal point. Clockwise, anti-clockwise you can select. And here I am setting feet. Okay, this should be international. Hit OK. Now for today just focused on just a few commands. First of all, line. This is just click, specify. You can see the command in command line, specify the first point. This is my first point. Click here and second point. You can enter the dimension. For example, I need 20. It will automatically take 20 feet. Okay, just pressed escape to go out of the command. Okay, this is your 20 feet line. Z enter, E enter. It will give you exact view of the line. For example, for this screen 20 feet was very less, so I just set up the screen accordingly. Okay, now this is your line which is of 20 feet. How will you know that? Just measure that line, take the dimension from it, linear, because my line is horizontal. Now you have to click the end of the line. I'll just zoom in. Okay, I think okay, this is my line, linear dimension. Now I need a exact dimension, end point. This end point is showing. Why it is showing? Because here in status bar there is some uh, point are highlighted like end point. It will show is a snapshot kind of toolbar. What it exactly said? Snap cursor, 2D reference point. Okay, so it is showing end point because it is end point. Okay, I'll make midpoint, end point and midpoint. Okay, just take the dimension, first point and second end point, 20 feet. Okay, I need a dimension from one end to the midpoint, first end, and it will show the midpoint. Okay, if I off it, O snap, and it is showing here that for O snap F3 is function key is F3. So if I press F3, O snap will be object snap will be disappear and they will not show any end point or midpoint. Can you see this? Yeah. So for that you need to check on O snap, make it on and provide the dimensions. This is linear dimension because line is horizontal. Okay. Second option here is grid.